Take a ride in the 2014 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lights, rear stabilizer bar, front stabilizer bar, braking assist, perimeter alarm. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.